Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning out here on the homestead. Mike, he's out hunting for the weekend. A little bit about myself. I graduated this past May with my degree in social work, and I just got a job about a month ago as a school counselor. So that's kind of what I do during the week. Mike, we're very, very fortunate that he's been able to not work and kind of hopefully get this house ready before the winter time. So a little project I'm going to be doing is taking all the grout that dried on the back of the cement wall. So I'm just gonna try my best to scrape all that off, and then we need to get it painted. In one of the previous videos, people were mentioning, well, what about the waterproofing paint? Well, we haven't forgot about it. We just kind of were putting it off for a little while. So I'm gonna get that all painted up, and yeah, enjoy. During this week, Mike has been framing the doors and windows.
Blooper Reel #1. How does my hair look this morning? Does it look
Looks
bad?
good.
Does
Yeah,
it?
looks.
Not bad.
I mean, like it has gel, so.
It's not gel though.
No. Come here. Well, I'm not tall enough. I would save you. The second time I've saved her. She loves it. So.
Yeah.
What's up?
Same old.
Yeah. Big nice rainy day.
Big nice rainy day.
Here on the homestead. As you can see, we're standing in the shop here, and we've got a little bit of water puddling up, so we've got some low spots, but
5-star concrete job.
yeah, once this baby's all dried in and it's not raining on it, then hopefully it won't be as noticeable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll fill it in.
Whatever.
Yep.
So.
What should we touch on the bracing that everybody is just so concerned about? Yeah.
Fix my bandana. So we felt good about the temporary bracing. We got the recommendations from the truss company, and so we feel good about all the bracing right now.
Yeah, and we're going to fill in the spots that we didn't miss. We hit most of them, but there were a few lateral ones that we missed. So we'll fill those in.
Yeah.
How about the bracing on the outside?
Those temporary ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since we're going to be taking the bracing off the outside of the building, we did put up this temporary bracing to hold this. And hopefully it works. Yeah. The walls are pretty sturdy, but they do have a little shake to them.
Yeah, not too terribly bad though.
Yeah.
So
the whole idea to this is once the floor is in this building, it's going to be super solid. We're going to have bracing running laterally both directions at, what, 7.5 feet high?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to be pretty solid. I hope it's pretty solid. Yeah. We're going to find out.
I think it is. I got the wall prepped last weekend so we could fill in the little gaps with grout and then do the waterproofing paint. It was really rainy, so we wanted to not do that today. Yeah. So hopefully Saturday and Sunday are a little nicer. We can get that project done too.
Yeah, let it dry out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
All right, so we moved behind the shop and we have the site for our septic system tank. We're thinking it's gonna be right up here, and then the drain field comes out. So since that's such a big project and we're kind of in a time crunch to get this thing,
we're thinking it might be a fair option to maybe get it done by somebody if we can afford it, because it's a pretty good sized project and we're running out of time to get this thing enclosed. We need to get this thing dried in and sealed up because the weather is coming.
So once this weather clears up, we're hoping to get the purlins on the roof and the metal on so we can at least be dry.
Yeah, some house wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're trucking along. But thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.